Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how to save a life with hands-on CPR. Picture this. You're at a restaurant and suddenly someone at the next table collapses. Panic sets in and you want to help, but you're not sure how. This is a common scenario where knowing CPR can make all the difference. Here's the deal. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, involves chest compressions and rescue breaths. It's simpler than you think, and you can do it. First, check if the person is responsive. If not, call 911. Then, place your hands in the center of their chest and start pumping hard and fast, like to the beat of Stayin' Alive by the Bee Gees. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Repeat until help arrives. Remember, anyone can learn CPR, and elite medical training can teach you. So don't just stand there during an emergency. Take action and be a lifesaver. Visit our website today at elitemedicaltraining.com for more information about our life-saving programs.